Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher at Shivaras Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you the subject honeysuckle. In honeysuckle, the topic that I have chosen today to teach you is Thoreau's reward. Today's topic is Thoreau's reward. This is part 1. This is part 1 of this chapter. I will teach you this chapter in 2 parts. So I will explain this chapter in 2 parts. So this is the first part 1 of explanation. So first of all, let us see what is given in the text. First of all, I will read the chapter, I will read the paragraphs, and then I will explain. So see, here are the paragraphs are given in as number. So number 1, the first number 1 is a young woodcutter named Thoreau lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. In this paragraph, the writer tells us that before going to explain the paragraph, let us see it is given. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. This is a story, and the story is about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. He worked hard that he could fulfill the wishes of his parents, and in some unexpected way he got the help. Okay, so the first paragraph is a young woodcutter named Thoreau. There was a young woodcutter, and the name of that woodcutter was Thoreau. Lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. Thoreau lived with his mother and father, means with his parents, where? On a lonely hillside. On a lonely hillside means in a small village. Thoreau lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. तारो अपने माँ बाप के साथ, अपने माता पिता के साथ एक जो है हिल साइड की तरफ, एक पहाड़ी की तरफ जो है रहता था. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. All day long means whole day. He chopped, you can say cut into pieces. The meaning of chop is cut into pieces. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Whole day he chopped, he cut the wood in pieces. Where? In the forest, in the jungle. जंगल में वो क्या करता था? पूरे दिन लकड़ियाँ काटता था. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Although he worked very hard, but he get only a little money. यद्यपि वो मेहनत बहुत करता था, लेकिन उसको बहुत कम पैसा मिलता था. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This made him sad, that he is working hard, but he worked hard, but he got only a little money. That made him sad. यह कि वो मेहनत तो बहुत करता था, लेकिन उसको कम पैसा मिलता था, इससे वो बहुत दुखी था. For he was a thoughtful son. Why? Because he was a thoughtful son. He was an attentive son, and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. And he wanted to give his old parents everything that they wanted. और वो अपने ओल्ड पेरेंट्स को वो सभी चीज़ें दे देना चाहता था जो वो चाहते थे. So this is the paragraph number 1. Now let us see point number 2. Point number 2 is, one evening when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. Suddenly Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. It would warm me and do my old heart good. In this paragraph, it is said that one evening when Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut. One evening, Taro and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut. एक शाम तारो और उसके माता पिता अपने घर के अपनी झोपड़ी के एक कोने में बैठे हुए थे. A strong wind began to blow. At that time, a strong wind began to blow. There was a strong wind. There was a heavy wind. तभी बहुत तेज हवा चलनी शुरू हो गई. It whistled through the cracks of the hut. Whistled through means go through by making some noise. It whistled through. It went through the cracks. Cracks means you can say gaps. The cracks of the hut. और ये जो है, जो हट की झोपड़ी के जो क्रैक्स थे, जो गैप्स थे, उनसे होकर के आवाज़ के साथ गुजरने लगी. And everyone felt very cold. And at that time, everyone, Taro and his parents, felt very cold. और उस समय तारो और उसके माता पिता को बहुत ठंड महसूस हुई. Suddenly Taro's father said, I wish I had a cup of sake. Suddenly Taro's father said, at that time when there was a lot of cold, उस समय जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड बढ़ गई, तब अचानक तारो के फादर ने कहा, I wish I had a cup of sake. Oh, he wished that he had a cup of sake. The sake was an expensive, you can say, drink, and Taro's family was not able to buy sake. And suddenly it would, I wish I had a cup of sake. काश मेरे पास एक कप साके होता. ये तारो के पिता ने कहा. It would warm me if I would take sake. It would warm me. अगर मैं साके पीता हूँ तो ये मुझ में गर्मी पहुँचाएगा. And do my old heart good. And it will do my old heart good. और ये मेरे जो है जो है बूढ़े हो चुके दिल को जो क्या है, गर्मी पहुँचाएगा, इसको अच्छा रखेगा. Now let us see the next point. The next third point is, this made Taro sadder than ever. For the heart-warming drink called sake was very expensive. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He decided to work harder than before. So this made Taro sadder than ever. Although Taro was always said that he was not able to fulfill the wishes of his parents. यद्यपि तारो तो पहले से ही जो है सैड था कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स की विशेष को पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा था. बट दिस टाइम when his father asked him, when his father wished that if he had sake, it could warm him and his heart. जब तारो के पिता ने कहा कि काश मेरे के पास जो है साके होता जो मेरे दिल को जो है गर्मी पहुंचा सकता, इसे ठीक रख सकता. एट दैट टाइम दिस मेड तारो सैडर देन एवर. दिस स्टेटमेंट ऑफ हिज फादर मेड तारो सैडर देन एवर. ये स्टेटमेंट, इस स्टेटमेंट के बाद तारो जो है पहले से भी ज़्यादा जो है सैड हो गया, पहले से भी ज़्यादा जो है उसे दुख पहुंचा. क्यों? क्योंकि ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू फुलफिल द विशेज ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स. क्योंकि वो अपने पेरेंट्स की विशेष को फुलफिल करने नहीं कर सकता था. This made Taro sadder than ever. For the heart-warming drink called sake, for the heart-warming drink, because the drink that warms the heart, that was called sake was very expensive. It was very expensive. It was very costly. The sake, for the heart, the drink sake, which was heartwarming, was very expensive. साके जो कि दिल को गर्मी पहुंचाने वाली जो है ड्रिंक थी, वो क्या थी? वो बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव, बहुत ही कॉस्टली थी. हाउ डू आई अर्न मोर मनी? नाउ तारो थॉट हिमसेल्फ, हाउ डू आई अर्न मोर मनी? इज देयर एनी वे दैट आई कैन अर्न मोर मनी? तारो ने सोचा कि मैं कैसे और ज़्यादा पैसा कमा सकता हूँ. वाई? दैट आई कैन फुलफिल द विशेज ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स. He asked himself, how do I get a little sake for my poor old father? How do I get a little sake for my poor old father? He thought, how would I get more money that I could buy the sake for my old father? उसने सोचा कि मैं कैसे और पैसा कमा सकता हूँ जिससे कि मैं अपने फादर के लिए जो है साके खरीद सकूँ. He decided to work harder than before. On that, he decided to work harder than before. Means he decided that he will work more and more. उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो और काम करेगा, वो पहले से भी ज़्यादा काम करेगा. Now let us see the next one. The fourth point is, point number 4 is, next morning Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and made his way to the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. My poor old father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. And with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the sake to warm the old man's bones. In this paragraph it is said that next morning Taro jumped out of the bed earlier. Next morning Taro woke up early in the morning. बिल्कुल जो सुबह सवेरे, बिल्कुल भोर में ही क्या है, तारो जो है उठ गया अगली सुबह. Then usually he was not getting up early in the morning, but on that day, next morning, he woke up early in the morning, earlier than the usual, and made his way to, you can say went to, and he went to the forest. He woke up early in the morning and went to the forest. वो सुबह सवेरे जो उसके जागने की टाइम थी उससे पहले ही उठ गया और फॉरेस्ट की तरफ, जंगल की तरफ चल पड़ा. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed. He chopped and cut means he cut a lot of wood. He chopped and cut, it means he cut a lot of wood and cut as the sun climbed. He worked hard and he worked from morning till noon. The sun come on the head of, over the head of तारो. सूरज क्या है, वो तारों के बिल्कुल सर के ऊपर आ गया, यानी सुबह से दोपहर हो गई. And soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. Because of the heat of the sun, he felt a lot of warmth and he took off his jacket. और फिर उसको बहुत सूरज की रोशनी की वजह से, सूरज के वेव्स की वजह से उसको गर्मी महसूस होने लगी और उसने अपनी जैकेट को एक तरफ रख दिया. His mouth was dry because of the thirst. प्यास की वजह से उसका मुंह सूख गया. And his face was wet with sweat, and his face was wet because of the sweat. और उसका जो है फेस, उसका चेहरा जो है वो क्या है, पसीने से भीग गया. My poor old father, he exclaimed. Oh, my poor old father, बेचारे मेरे पिताजी. ही थॉट, उसने सोचा, इफ़ ओनली ही वॉज एज वार्म एज आई विश ही वॉज एज वार्म एज आई, काश वो भी इतनी ही गर्मी महसूस करते, इतने ही गर्म होते जितनी कि इस वक्त मैं गर्मी महसूस कर रहा हूँ। आई विश ही feel as warmth as I feel this time. And with that he began to chop even faster, and with that statement he began to chop even faster. और उस स्टेटमेंट को, उस बात को जो है सोचने के बाद वो और तेजी से लकड़ियाँ काटने लगा। थिंकिंग ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा मनी, ही स्टार्टेड वर्किंग हार्ड, थिंकिंग ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा मनी, ही वॉज थिंक ऑफ गेटिंग एक्स्ट्रा मनी। उसने और ज़्यादा पैसे हासिल करने के बारे में सोचा। ही मस्ट अर्न टू बाई द साके, ही मस्ट वर्क हार्ड दैट ही कुड गेट मोर मनी टू बाई द साके। उसको जो है मेहनत करनी ही थी, क्योंकि जो है ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता तभी वो साके खरीद सकता था। मस्ट अर्न टू बाई द साके टू वार्म द ओल्ड मैन्स बोन्स दैट the old man's bones means his father's bones get warm, ताकि उसके जो है बूढ़े बाप की हड्डियाँ गर्म हो सकें, ताकि उसका बूढ़ा बाप जो है अपनी विश को फुलफिल कर सके। Now see the next point. Point number 5 is, then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound he heard? Could it possibly be rushing water? Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. He was thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hands and he ran in the direction of the sound. So then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. Taro stopped working. अचानक तारो ने जो क्या लकड़ियाँ काटना बंद कर दिया, अपने काम को बंद कर दिया। Why? What was that sound? Because he listened a sound. क्योंकि उसने एक आवाज़ सुनी। What was the sound he heard? What kind of sound was that he heard? वो किस तरह की आवाज़ थी जिसे उसने सुना? Could it be a sound of something? क्या यह किसी चीज़ के साउंड है? Could it possibly be rushing water? Could it possibly be rushing water in that part of the forest? क्या जंगल के उस हिस्से में कोई बहता हुआ पानी था? Because he had heard the sound of rushing water, क्योंकि उसने जो है बहते हुए पानी का जो है साउंड सुना। Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest. Taro could not remember that ever he had seen any stream. Not he heard about any stream in that part of forest. न तो तारो ने कभी देखा था कि उस जंगल के उस हिस्से में कोई नदी हो, और न तो उसने किसी से सुना था कि जंगल के उस हिस्से में कोई नदी है, कोई स्ट्रीम है। In that part of the forest, he was thirsty. At that time, he was thirsty because of the hard work. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की वजह से वो थर्स्टी था, उसको प्यास लगी थी। द एक्स ड्रॉप्ड आउट ऑफ हिज हैंड्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द थर्स्ट द एक्स ड्रॉप्ड आउट ऑफ हिज हैंड। प्यास की वजह से कुल्हाड़ी उसके हाथों से छूट गई जब उसने पानी की आवाज़ सुनी। आउट ऑफ हिज हैंड्स एंड ही रैन इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द साउंड, एंड ही रैन इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द साउंड, एंड ही रैन टुवर्ड्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द साउंड, और वो आवाज़ की दिशा में दौड़ पड़ा। सी द नेक्स्ट वन। पॉइंट नंबर 6 इज, Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall hidden behind a rock. Kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he cupped a little in his hands and put it to his lips. Was it water or was it sake? He tasted it again and again, and always it was the delicious sake instead of cold water. Then Taro saw a beautiful little waterfall. When Taro ran in the direction of the sound, when he reached near the sound, he saw that there was a beautiful little waterfall. वहाँ एक जो है छोटा सा झरना था, हिडन बिहाइंड द रॉक, दैट वाटरफॉल वॉज हिडन बिहाइंड द रॉक। वो वाटरफॉल, वो झरना एक चट्टान के पीछे छिपा हुआ था। एंड kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly at that time, Taro kneeled down at a place where the water was flowing, from where the water was flowing. तारो जो है घुटनों के बल झुक गया जहाँ से पानी बह रहा था। Why? So that he could take the water, he could drink the water, ताकि वो पानी पी सके। Kneeling at a place where the water flowed quietly, he kneeled down towards a place where the water was flowing quietly. उस जगह पर वो जो है अपने घुटनों पर झुक गया पानी पीने के लिए, जहाँ पर पानी का बहाव कम था, जहाँ पर पानी बिल्कुल आराम से बह रहा था। He cupped a little in his hands. He took a little water into, cupped means here can say took. He took a little water into his hands. उसने अपने हाथों में कुछ पानी को लिया एंड पुट इट टू हिज लिप्स, एंड ही पुट दोज वाटर्स टू हिज लिप्स, और उसने उस पानी को अपने होठों से लगा लिया। वाई? टू ड्रिंक इट, उसे पीने के लिए। वॉज इट वाटर? व्हेन ही ड्रिंक दैट वाटर एट दैट टाइम ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड। जब उसने उस पानी को पिया तो वो हैरत में पड़ गया। वॉज इट वाटर? क्या ये पानी ही था? He was surprised because the taste of the water was not as water, but instead of water, the taste of water was like the sake. वाटर का जो टेस्ट था वो वाटर की तरह से नहीं था, पानी की तरह से नहीं था, बल्कि साके की तरह से था। Was it water or was it sake? Was it water or was it sake? ये पानी था या साके था? Because the taste of the water was not like the water. The taste of water was like the taste of sake. He tasted it again and again. He tasted it again and again to confirm his doubt. अपने डाउट को कंफर्म करने के लिए उसने इसे बार बार पिया, उसने उस पानी को बार बार पिया। And always it was the delicious sake. And always whenever he was going to taste the water, it was not the water, and instead it was the delicious साके। जब भी उसने जो है टेस्ट किया, जब भी वो टेस्ट करता था उसको वो पानी नहीं लगता था, बल्कि वो डिलीशियस, वो टेस्टी जो है साके लगता था। इंस्टीड ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर, कोल्ड वाटर की जगह उसको उसका टेस्ट साके की तरह से लगता था। नेक्स्ट वन, तारो क्विकली फिल्ड द पिक्चर ही हैड विद हिम एंड हरीड होम। द ओल्ड मैन वॉज डिलाइटेड विद द साके। आफ्टर only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. Taro quickly filled the pitcher. Taro quickly filled his pitcher. Pitcher means a pot. Pitcher, a pot that is made up of mud. मिट्टी से, कीचड़ मिट्टी से जो है जो पॉट बनता है उसको कहते हैं पिचर। तारो क्विकली फिल्ड द पिचर। तारो क्विकली फिल्ड हिज पॉट। तारो ने जल्दी से अपने पॉट को, अपने बर्तन को भरा। ही हैड विद हिम द पॉट दैट ही हैड विद हिम एट दैट टाइम, जो पॉट, जो बर्तन उसके साथ उस वक्त था। एंड हरीड होम, एंड ही वेंट हरीडली टुवर्ड्स हिज होम, और वो जल्दी जल्दी अपने घर की तरफ चल पड़ा। The old man was delighted with the sake. The old man was delighted. He was happy with the sake when he drank the sake. The old man was very happy when he drank the sake. बूढ़ा आदमी बहुत खुश हुआ जब उसने साके पिया। After only one swallow of the liquid, he stopped shivering. After only one swallow of the liquid, after only one swallow, after taking only one part of the sake, he stopped shivering. Shivering, कांपना। थोड़ा सा ही, सिर्फ एक हिस्सा थोड़ा सा ही पीने के बाद लिक्विड को, तारो के पिताजी क्या हुए, उन्होंने उनका कांपना, उनकी कपकपाहट बंद हो गई, उनको जो ठंड लग रही थी वो कम हो गई। He stopped shivering and did a little dance in the middle of the floor. And he did a little dance, means he danced a little in the middle of the floor in his hut. और वो अपनी झोपड़ी में उन्होंने फ्लोर के फर्श के बीच में थोड़ा बहुत डांस भी किया, बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑन दैट डे ही वॉज मच हैप्पी, क्योंकि उस दिन वो बहुत खुश थे, दैट ही हैड टेकन द साके, दैट ही हैड ड्राइंग द साके, क्योंकि उन्होंने साके पिया था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट साके ही वॉज नॉट शाइवरिंग नाउ, ही स्टॉप्ड शाइवरिंग, क्योंकि साके पीने के बाद उनकी कपकपाहट बंद हो गई थी. सो दिस इज द हाफ पार्ट ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट. I will complete this text in two parts, as I told you. This is the first part of Taro's Reward. For today, my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.